I chose an elephant for my Rhythm and Proportion to Unity project. Long rectangular blocks are repeated, which highlights rhythm, and it's recognized in the trunk and the legs. The trunk is just a smaller variation of the long rectangular legs. Ties together the whole piece. And here's my final product. I struggled with the ears. I created clay blocks that supported them in the drawing process, but I could not keep them vertical. So I had to adjust them to be more horizontal. And also the back is not as faceted as it was when I was sculpting it. So the drawing process changed. But overall, I like the proportions and I learned a lot. So I hope you like it. Thank you.